Hey guys, it's me Nadia, and today I'm letting my little cousin Raya hold the screen because stop touching it, Nate.
Stop mine.
Because I want to make slime for you guys. So my materials are I got this from these Elmer's slime kit. So sorry, she doesn't know these. So I got these materials.
And can I sell them? And can you sell them mine?
Yeah. After I'm gonna show you guys how we made. Stop!
Don't play.
Sorry, my baby brother's really annoying. Now she's like, stop. Okay. Raya, hold it like that.
Okay.
Mommy, move! Don't touch it.
Okay.
Hurry up, Raya, hurry up.
What?
Hurry up, hold the camera. Okay, so I'm having difficulties. Okay, the first step was you add Elmer's glue. So yeah. That sounded nice. Gotta make sure we got all that slime. Gotta make sure we got all that slime. Next, I'm gonna close it off because I don't want anything to spill because my baby brother's here. Oh, gotta glue myself. Okay. Next is the
Let's make a slime.
Okay.
Can you drop
Let's
it?
make a slime and I'm recording.
Yeah.
I'm recording and I'm how to make a slime.
Okay. Okay. So next way.
Let him get stuff in the closet.
So
Use one of your pencil stir and throw a pencil in there.
okay. Okay. Now I need a stir.
Right, it broke off again. But they broke.
It just broke off. Okay. I need a different.
Okay. There it is, right there.
Put it on
Lovely.
the table.
Hey.
Use the back. Oh, no. One of these. Wipe it off.
Okay. Mix it.
I'm recording her. I'm recording her making slime because that's what her wanted me to do.
Little.
Yep, we need more. Finally got
My sister's the one that bothers me a lot, so I can't make slime.
Okay, so I had to make more, guys. Sorry it was silent because my dad didn't know I have a YouTube channel. And now we need to add more blue too.
Blue? Scooby-Doo.
Okay, so
Hey, my puppy's name is Blue.
I know.
Blue Scooby-Doo. Blue Scooby-Doo.
Keep on mixing. Come on, Ryan, you gotta record for the fans so they know too.
Keep it still so I can do it.
I am keeping it still. It's just I need a mix.
You're mixing good.
Wait, I want to make rainbow.
Okay.
Hey! Can't waste your battery recording. If you don't step on the car, you get
Stop.
Hey, Nadia is making slime and I'm recording.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, enough. You gotta put more than that. They bought that glow in the dark slime on TV.
It's not glow in the
Yeah.
dark. It's not glow in the dark.
It's not glowing in the dark today.
Yeah,
Because
no,
we
black.
didn't find any.
When you put all them together, it's gonna turn black. See, it's turn black. What color will you leave that?
Hey, my brother's favorite color is black.
Put a lot of blue. Then it's gonna turn blue.
How do you erase that off?
I'm not sure. Pages.
Glitter? I draw glitter.
No. It's not even
See,
on
now it's blue.
my hand. It's not even on my hair.
Yeah, right there.
Casey Surami.
Okay, next we are gonna add the activator, and I'm not
Activator?
using a lot.
What's that for?
It's for to make the slime.
Make it.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Hey, last time we used a lot
You
of
use the whole bottle?
yeah, you're supposed to.
Use the whole bottle? Yeah, use the whole bottle of that, I think.
No,
No,
you gotta use a lot.
Okay,
no,
well,
you
It's
can't
gonna be
use a lot.
sticky if it does.
You got it's gonna be so sticky if you do a lot.
Yeah,
shush.
It actually did.
Yeah, it made it,
right there. Look.
but something would have made it perfectly.
Yeah.
Not yet, not yet.
More,
Wait. More. A little more.
a little more. One.
Okay.
You don't want to use too much.
Yeah,
'cause
see, like almost. See, better. Maybe a little more.
Look at that.
Little more, Chucky. More. Okay.
that cup.
See, it's supposed to be like this.
Ooh.
Too slimy.
Huh?
What? Yeah.
It was a dry first, right?
Now we just got extra. Nate, what are you doing? No, you're not. Don't touch it. Put it down. Stop touching it.
So let it
Oh,
sit like that. Read the instructions, it's supposed to dry.
okay, now.
Yeah, it didn't say it. Okay, so this is my slime. This is my slime.
Now we will cut it off.
Thank you guys for watching the video. And I'm featuring my baby brother, which is annoying. And this is my cousin recording me, which is a really bad job. And my dad's featured too for helping me. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.